So you mentioned growth and construction, and with that, let's introduce our next guest. Serelle Corn is the owner and president of Project Controls Cubed, a construction planning firm. Serelle specializes in virtual design and construction, a methodology that uses digital technologies, 3D modeling, and real-time collaboration to plan, design, and manage construction projects. Serelle, last year, your company won our fabulous Water and Wastewater Going Digital Award. It was obviously a very complex project, lots of data, both above ground and below ground. And just given what we've heard here today with the keynotes, I'm curious, what's your opinion on how you see the workflows evolving as we move forward?
That's a really good question, because in the time that I've been doing this, so I started as a scheduler, right? We have already evolved our workflow. So when I first started as a scheduler, I look much younger than what I am. We used to take schedule activities, and you take your 2D drawings, right? You bust out your highlighters, you highlight the activities, you highlight the drawings, you try to find the scope, what's included, what's missing. Then you look at the crazy logic lines, right? Everybody knows this. You try to follow the logic lines, okay, and you try to understand what is this construction sequence. Let's be honest, you can't get it, right? But then we're moving to digital twins, and that's what we do now, right? SYNCHRO, digital twins, and that's what we implemented in EchoWater. So EchoWater, we implemented the digital twin early on. We started it in planning, we used it in design, construction, and then operation and maintenance. And it was a success. And I think that workflow should become an industry standard where you write in your spec that contractors, designers, they should be submitting these SYNCHRO models to us for review. Before it even gets to us, they should practice before they play. They need to vet out their own plans, right? So that they can find the problems, they can resolve the problems, and they can it's always being ahead of the ball, right? The problem is that you don't want to be reactive, you want to be proactive. So if you catch it in design, great. When you get to construction, we can get in the field. When we find the problem, we can quickly find solutions. And that's because of the digital twin, right? So I see this as the future being a requirement so that it's a collaboration tool, right? We want to find the most efficient method to have successful projects. And by doing so, you're getting all stakeholders involved. Again, to be proactive risk mitigation. That's the key.
Yeah, that's great. And I want to come back to the project in a little bit. But